Hello everybody, my name's Derek. I'm with Easy Brands, Electro Southeast. Today I thought it would be nice. I've been looking on social media and seeing a lot of the Margarita soft serve going around. And I just thought it would be fun to go ahead and whip up a batch, show you our equipment is just as capable, if not even more capable than some of the competition we do. And let's get started. Alright guys, so today we are making some Margarita soft serve, right? I am going to use some Dole soft serve, right? It's the lime flavor. This is probably the quickest base that you can do to get a very nice flavor profile for a margarita, right? You use a vanilla base, it's going to come out a little more creamy, like a creamsicle. I like the flavor, but today we're going to do it with a real lime soft serve. So as we go, I will go ahead and get everything added in here. We will be adding tequila and some triple sec, so this is for adults. Let's get started. All right, so first we're beginning with, we have the 8 quarts of water we mixed in our soft serve base. Nice and easy right there, and then we're gonna go ahead and incorporate the margarita into it. So everybody's gonna do a little bit different. Some people do it by taste. Some people have, a nice little recipe that they have laid out. I went ahead and did my own recipe based off the last time I made this, and that's what I'm gonna go by. Some people make it a little stronger, a little tartar. How you wanna do it is totally up to you. I guess the end goal is to make sure your customers enjoy it. All right. So today we are going to begin with about 8 to 12 ounces of lime juice. So I've got some lime juice here. We're going to put it in a measuring cup, make sure we have it right. We are going to do about 8 ounces or so. I might be running a little low, so I might have just under that 8. That should be good. Okay. And we're just going to add it right in there. Alrighty. Next thing I'm going to add here is a little bit of lime syrup, a little bit of sweetener, and I'm gonna mix that with some Jose Cuervo margarita mix. So right here I'm gonna do, let's say about 2 ounces. And then we're gonna top off to the 6 ounce mark right here. It's closer to 8, like we said. You can get that added in there. And now we're going to get into where the fun starts happening. I'm going to go ahead and add about 10 ounces of tequila. Remember, you don't want to overdo it. If you overdo it with the alcohol, it will create problems as it freezes down, as alcohol does not freeze down all the way. So if you are creating your own margarita soft serve and you're noticing a consistency issue, go back to your measurements and see maybe we added a little too much alcohol in here. So for today though, I'm gonna go with about 10 ounces. Actually, I'm gonna do 8 and then top off with the triple sec to the 10 mark. Alright. And then just good old triple sec. We are adding in, yeah. We're gonna pour that right in there too. And can't have margarita without salt. So we are gonna add some salt in here as well. This is a tablespoon. We'll start there. Should be good enough. However, if it doesn't give it that pop that you're looking for, you can always add a little bit more. So just give it a nice good mix to get everything incorporated. And then we're going to fill the machine. Nothing to it. Alrighty. Pull this off. Just set this off to the side for now. Take the mix. And we are going to carefully start pouring it in. Welcome back. Alrighty, everything is frozen down, so now we are going to go ahead and pull our got Margarita, gold soft serve.